healthy it sounds though, you know what I'm saying? Very healthy.
I know how to time it and everything.
Oh, you timed it and everything? Yeah, it's good to go. She's good to go. So you used to take your little cars before these and all that stuff to the racetrack, maybe possibly, or you just fucked around on the street and just build your shit and...
I can build motors since I was 16.
16, since he was 16, built a motor. Sounds pretty. Sounds beautiful. Even while I was idling though. You know what I'm saying? Not
Sound
rough,
healthy.
not nothing.